Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your love reading hanggang end ng October. So, titingnan natin yung next action ni person mo and kukuha tayo ng gabay, okay, para sa magiging action niya. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga protection from evil eye and love bracelet and granter necklace. Okay? And doon sa ating new item for cleansing. Okay? So, message na lang. Okay. So, Pisces. Yan. Okay. Pisces placements. Who is the person on your mind? Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan? The person on Pisces mind. Chararan. Okay. The Three of Wands. Some of you may chance na malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah. The Eight of Chalices. Malayo. There's this distance in general. Okay? So, yeah. Ayoko na lang maging specific. So, there's distance. The Eight of Chalices. You have to or you need to travel. Oo, para magkasama kayo. Some of you. Okay? This person is waiting for you, I think. Ito pwedeng itong taong to iniwan ka. This is specific. Pwedeng iniwan ka ng taong to, but they're waiting kung ano magiging action mo towards them. Okay? They're waiting. Some of you, ilang beses na kayo nagkaroon ng on and off ng taong to. Lagi siyang umaalis and alam niya na pwedeng hahabulin mo siya. Specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? The Page of Chalices is here in reverse. This person is so immature. Okay, may ka-immature na taglay. Fire and water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, ano bang situation ninyo ngayon? Pisces, anong sitwasyon ninyo ngayon? The Eight of Swords. Okay, so there's this no contact. Some of you, no contact. Okay. Someone is stuck. Feeling stuck. Anong meron sa Eight of Swords? Meron ditong parang obvious. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. The Six of Swords, yeah. Alam na, alam nyo, ito Pisces. Meron ditong kakonect ninyo na alam na ang magiging next action mo towards them. Okay? Alam na. I think this is like a cycle. Okay? Nagpapahabol tong taong to. Excuse me. Nagpapahabol to sa'yo. Alam nito kung paano ka tatakutin. Okay? Alam nito kung paano ka imamanipula. Some of them, pinaka-specific, hindi sila makikipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Ibablock ka. Mga ganyan. Mananahimik. Ganyan. Okay? So, some of them, that's their way kung paano ka nila takutin. And then, hahabol ka. Yun ang nakukuha kong specific. Okay? This is a cycle. Walang nangyayaring improvement dito po. Ha? Okay, so tingnan natin po yung inyong yung kanyang emotion towards you. What is their emotion towards you? Some of them, kahit nilayuan ka niya, dala-dala pa rin niya emosyon. Nandun pa rin. Okay. So, ano ba ang emosyon niya towards you? The Knight of Swords in reversed. Why? The Two of Chalices. in reverse. The Magician. This is controlling. Control over you. Hindi sila nagiging open. Okay? Pinapakita ng taong to na parang wala na siyang pakialam sa iyo. Okay? Na dinadrop ka na niya. Nakakasawa to, Pisces. The Magician, the High Priestess. Hindi na to bago sa'yo. Hindi na to bago sa'yo. Paulit-ulit na lang tong ganitong drama. Every time. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung sa tingin ninyo, para siyang kabute. Okay, bigla na lang nasulpot, tapos maya wala na. Para siyang ganun yung energy niya. Lalo na kung yun nga is through online lang kayo. Okay? Meron dito through online lang. Hindi pa nagkakasama. Okay, so yeah, pag-uusap lang, chat, tawag, ganyan. Okay, and then suddenly, bigla na lang nawala. Bigla na lang naglahong parang bula. There's a lot of manipulation here, Pisces. Okay, emotion. Itong taong to, hindi siya consistent. Hindi siya consistent. Okay? Let's see, ano ba ang meron pagdating sa gagawin niyang susunod. Next action ng taong to towards you. Okay, anong next action niya pagdating sa'yo, Pisces? Next action, please. Next action. The Nine of Wands. You don't trust this person, no? Hindi mo na siya magawang pagkatiwalaan, sa totoo lang. This person is hiding. Or sabihin natin meron siyang tinatago sa'yo in general. Some of you, they're avoiding you, pero they're watching you. Yeah. Okay. Why the Nine of Wands? They're avoiding you. They're hiding from you. Why? Why the Nine of Wands? The Emperor. Yeah, syempre. Syempre. Habulin mo ko. Okay? Parang ganon. Ako ang magmamaniobra. Ako ang magde-decide kung anong meron sa ngayon. So ngayon, gusto ko magtago from you. Gusto ko i-avoid ka. Kasi may mga gagawin ako na kung ano man outside our connection. So bahala ka na muna dyan. Babalik na lang ako dahil may sarili akong rules pagdating sa'yo. Kung gusto ko nang bumalik, babalik ako. With no explanation. Okay? Temperance. Yeah, alam ng taong to na pasensyosa mo sa kanya. Yes. Okay? Wala tayong magagawa. Yun ang nakukuha niya sa'yo eh. Kahit sabihin mong hindi, yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Ikaw itong parang kaya mong maghintay kahit ano. Kaya maghintay kahit ganong katagal para sa kanya. Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay? Siya ang nagmamaniobra. Siya yung nagmamaneho ng sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Anytime they want, they can leave this connection. Anytime they want, they can make a return. Wow. Okay. So, anong advice for you, Pisces? Anong advice? The Star. Ikaw naman. Okay? Ikaw naman ang magbahabol. Okay? Ikaw naman. The Star. Some of you have to heal. You have to heal. Cycle na to. Masyado ka ng durug na dito sa sitwasyon na to. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Wands in reversed. Being the Star, diba? Ang mga star na admire yan. Okay? Kahit hindi gumawa ng kung anong mga action yan, nakakakuha ng atensyon. Okay? Like a star. Literal na star. 'Di ba? You admire the star. Lalo na pag ang ganda ng kalangitan sa gabi, 'di ba? Wala ako. Kaganon-ganon lang sila, 'di ba? Pero you're admiring them. So ganun ang gawin mo. Okay? You have to heal. Okay? Kailangan na hindi ka gumawa ng kahit ano pagdating sa taong to. Kung alam niya yung mga weaknesses mo, ibahin mo na. Okay? Ibahin mo na. Yeah. Hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng action towards this situation, okay? Hindi mo kailangan habulin to, please. Be the star. Okay? Be the star. Ikaw yung parang ikaw dapat yung hinahabol. Hindi ito. Okay? Wala kang dapat gawin. Kung gusto nitong magpahabol, wag mong habulin. Alam mo sa inyo, sa iba sa inyo, na hinahabol mo to. Yeah. Mahabol kayo sa ganito. You're feeding their ego. Okay? Hinahayaan nyo. Tuwan-tuwa tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Kung hinahabol mo sila, kung hinahabol mo siya, yeah, tuwan-tuwa to. Kasi, nakokontrol ka niya. Sa kaunti lang na ways niya, by detaching, by being silent, andun ka na sa, huy, nasaan ka na, ganto, ganyan, walang oras na hindi ka tatawag, mangungulit ka, ay, tuwan-tuwa to. Don't let them feel that way. Okay? This person doesn't, what? Deserve this. Okay? You don't deserve this. Please lang. Please. Heal from this. Okay? Huwag mo ipakita sa taong to na parang takot ka na mawawala siya. Yun ang pakiramdam niya eh. Kaya emperor, 'di ba? Parang kailangan mo siya. You don't need this person. Sa totoo lang. Okay, the devil in reverse. Umalis ka dito. This is too toxic. Yun na lang ang pinakamaganda dyan. And don't do anything. Don't sabihin natin parang to do effort, to make an effort para mabigyan ka ng kakarampot, no? Na attention from this one. You don't need that. Okay? You don't need that. Be a star. Be the star. Kahit wala kang ginagawa, magtatapon sa'yo ng maraming attention. Okay? Kahit hindi mo kunin yung attention nila, ibibigay nila ng kusa. Okay? So, kung hindi ka binibigyan ng attention, alam mo na. Kung hindi ka binibigyan ng fair na energy dyan sa connection nyo, then alam mo na. Okay? You don't need to please anybody para magustuhan ka. You don't need to put an effort. Okay? Para magustuhan ka. Yeah. Love is nakukuha ng, sabihin natin, kusa. Hindi natin pwedeng gawin, hoy, mahalin mo ko, gagawin ko to para sa'yo, para mahalin mo ko. Or para magustuhan mo ko. No, don't do that here. No. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. Aries through Pisces. This is for the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay. Aries. Okay, they're juggler. Taurus. Okay, they want to talk. Okay. They're putting focus kung ano man ang meron. Gemini, they're making an action or making a decision. Cancer, they want to talk. They want to have a, like sabihin nating, back and forth communication pagdating sa'yo. Leo, they're dropping you. Ooh, they're dropping you. Or maybe you have to drop this one. Virgo, some of you have this third party with this Virgo. Iba sa inyo, pinaghihintay kayo sa reply. Okay? They're busy. They're busy. Libra. Okay, some of you, you'll get an answer from this Libra. Etong si Libra, may chance rin na hindi na rin siya ganon na stress, or maybe you don't need to put any kind of energy from this Libra para makaalis ka sa isang sitwasyong nakaka-stress. Okay? So, Scorpio. Okay, they're sad. They need you. They're sad. Why Cancer? No, this is Sagittarius. Sagittarius, they're moving on. Yeah, they're moving on. Pero some of them, they're unsure kung anong kailangan niyang gawin, but still, they're moving on. Capricorn, they want to get your attention. They want to get your attention. They want to flirt. Aquarius, their option is open. Okay? May mga pinagpipilian rin itong si Aqua. Pisces, okay. So, there's this break. Or some of you, if you're dealing with another Pisces, kailangan niya ng break. Pero, or maybe you have to take a break from this Pisces. Okay? Some of you, you have to analyze things. Okay? With this one. So, there, yun ang ating reading for you. Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!